This time we're supposed to convert decimal number to BCD code, binary coded decimal. How are we supposed to do that? You're supposed to convert every single decimal digit to 4 binary bits. So 5 in binary is 0, 1, 0, 1. And this is going to be B, C, D. Remember, every single decimal digit is supposed to be converted to 4 binary bits. This is the solution to my first problem. Let's take a look at this example. We're supposed to convert every single digit of this number to 4 binary bits. 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0. This is binary 6. 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. And write B, C, D. Every single digit must be converted to 4 binary bits. 6, and this is 3. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to convert every single decimal digit to 4 binary bits. So 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. BCD. This is the solution to my third problem.